Daimler Truck North America is set to redefine the trucking landscape with the introduction of its fifth-generation Freightliner Cascadia, slated for production in 2025. This latest iteration of America's most popular on-highway tractor is expected to build upon its predecessor's success while introducing groundbreaking technology, enhanced safety features, and improved efficiency. In today's video, we'll take a deep look into the various aspects that make the 2025 Cascadia a potential game-changer in the trucking industry. Since its debut in 2007, the Freightliner Cascadia has been synonymous with innovation in the trucking world. With over 1 million units sold, it has become the backbone of many fleets across North America, cementing its position as the industry leader. This success has been reflected in DTNA's impressive 40% share of the market in the on-highway segment. This is definitely a proof of the truck's reliability, efficiency, and performance. In an industry press preview of the truck in Ypsilanti, Michigan on October 1st, Mary Aufdenberg, DTNA GM of Product Strategy and Market Development, emphasized the company's commitment to meaningful innovation. Throughout the years, we've continued to be known for those innovations in the marketplace and by our customers. But what I love is we never innovate just to innovate. It's always with purpose, and it delivers something meaningful to our customers. This customer-centric approach has been at the heart of the Cascadia's development over the years, and is particularly evident in the design and features of the 2025 model. So, what's new? One of the most significant improvements in the fifth-generation Cascadia is its enhanced fuel efficiency. Building on the impressive 35% fuel savings achieved since 2007, the new model boasts an additional 1.9% increase in efficiency. This improvement is primarily attributed to aerodynamic enhancements, which includes a redesigned hood shape that optimizes airflow over the truck, reducing drag. There is also the addition of a new A-pillar deflector, a three-piece front wheel well closeouts, a hood-to-bumper seal, and new bumper air ducts. Additionally, an optional Max Aero bumper is available for companies looking to maximize their efficiency gains without sacrificing ground clearance or serviceability. This bumper has been carefully designed to further improve airflow while maintaining the truck's practicality for day-to-day operations. Greg Trinan, DTNA VP of On-Highway Market Development, highlighted the focus on aerodynamics. We fought and looked for every opportunity we could to continue to improve fuel efficiency, this time to the tune of 1.9%. The main focus of that 1.9% is all aerodynamic improvements. While these efficiency gains help to reduce fuel costs, they also contribute to lowering the overall environmental impact of trucking operations. This is increasingly becoming an important consideration for fleets and regulators alike. Have you ever driven any Freightliner Cascadia truck in the past? If you have, please indicate in the comments section what model you drove. Let's talk about engine option. Like its predecessors, the fifth-generation Freightliner Cascadia offers a full lineup of engine options to suit the various operational needs of fleets and their drivers. Detroit DD13 and DD15 engines, available at launch, these engines are expected to provide up to 505 horsepower and 1,150 pound-per-feet of torque. The DD15 has been a staple in the Cascadia lineup, known for its balance of power and efficiency. Cummins X15 and X15N engines. Available in 2026 models, these engines are expected to cater to fleets interested in alternative fuels. The X15N is particularly noteworthy as the first natural gas engine designed specifically for heavy-duty and on-highway truck applications. Power ratings for the Cummins engines range from 400 to 605 horsepower, with torque outputs between 1,450 and 2,150 pound-per-feet. This variety is set as such to ensure that fleet operators can choose the engine option that best fits their specific needs, whether prioritizing power, efficiency, or environmental considerations. The inclusion of the X15N natural gas option is particularly significant, as it provides a viable alternative fuel option without compromising on power or performance. What about cutting-edge safety technologies? Safety remains a top priority for DTNA, and the new Cascadia showcases this commitment with its suite of advanced safety features. The truck is equipped with the latest Detroit Assurance safety technology, including upgraded hardware such as a new camera, 4 short-range radar sensors, and an improved long-range radar sensor. This enhanced sensor suite provides the foundation for a range of advanced safety features. Active Brake Assist 6, ABA6. This system represents a significant leap forward in collision. Mitigation technology. It can now detect and respond to vehicles stopped at odd angles, in curves, and across multiple lanes. Perhaps most importantly, it can also recognize stationary pedestrians, a capability that could prove crucial in preventing accidents in urban environments or at rest stops. Active Lane Assist 2, ALA2, building on previous lane-keeping technology, ALA2 Now, features Lane Change Assist. This system can help prevent accidents by counter-steering if the truck attempts to enter an occupied lane. This feature is particularly valuable on multi-lane highways where blind spots can be a significant concern. Attentive Driver Protection. Working in conjunction with ALA2, this system monitors driver attention through steering wheel input. If the driver becomes unresponsive, it can keep the truck centered in its lane, slow it to a stop, and activate hazard lights. This feature could be life-saving in cases of medical emergencies or severe driver fatigue. Side Guard Assist 2, SGA2. This feature detects objects on both the driver and passenger sides of the truck, from the cab to the end of the trailer, providing comprehensive blind spot monitoring. This is particularly useful during low-speed maneuvers and in urban environments where cyclists and pedestrians may be present. Intelligent Braking Control System, IBCS. This system combines brake-by-wire technology with backup pneumatics, offering improved deceleration control, comfort braking, and endurance braking. The comfort braking feature ensures smoother, more confident braking, especially in sudden stops, while the endurance braking feature blends the engine retarder and service brakes when the foot pedal is applied, helping to extend brake life. Electronic Park Brake with rollaway mitigation. This feature automatically applies the parking brake if a driver leaves the seat or opens the door without setting the brake, preventing costly and dangerous rollaways. Dual-stage intelligent LED headlights. These new headlights offer increased durability, better visibility, and features like auto high beam and easy beam adjustment. They're engineered to melt away ice and eliminate condensation in minutes, ensuring optimal visibility in all weather conditions. Factory-installed mirror cam system. This optional camera-based system can replace traditional side view mirrors, offering improved visibility and reduced aerodynamic drag. The system uses high-definition in-cab screens connected to cameras mounted above the doors, providing a wide field of view. It's equipped with infrared technology and hydrophobic coatings to repel water and other contaminants, ensuring clear visibility in all conditions. These safety features work together to create a comprehensive safety net, potentially reducing accidents and improving overall road safety. While federal regulations currently require DTNA to sell trucks with traditional mirrors, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration can grant fleets waivers to remove them in favor of the mirror cam system. Which of these features are you looking forward to in the new truck? Recognizing the importance of data and connectivity in modern fleet management, the 2025 Cascadia also comes with advanced telematics and business intelligence tools. The new Detroit Connect platform offers several key features. Video Capture 2.0. This system automatically records and captures data during safety events or when initiated by the driver. It provides fleet managers with valuable insights into driver behavior and potential risks, with videos available in near real time through an improved user interface within the Detroit Connect portal. Remote Lock and Unlock. This feature allows fleet managers to remotely secure or access vehicles, reducing downtime and roadside assistance costs. It's a direct response to feedback from fleet managers and addresses a common pain point in fleet operations. Geofencing. This capability enables the creation of custom-defined geographic areas and provides notifications when vehicles enter or leave these zones. This can be particularly useful for managing routes, monitoring fuel consumption in specific areas, or ensuring compliance with local regulations. Safety Plus subscription service. This allows remote tracking and notification of Detroit. Assurance safety system status and health, enabling proactive maintenance, and ensuring that safety systems are always operating at peak performance. Expanded RemoteParameter. Updates. This feature increases the number of parameters. Available for over-the-air updates from 7 to over 50, enhancing fleet flexibility and reducing downtime. This means that many adjustments that previously required a visit to a service center can now be done remotely, keeping trucks on the road longer. Although a lot of attention has been focused on efficiency and safety, DTNA hasn't overlooked the importance of driver comfort and satisfaction. The new Cascadia features an updated interior designed to enhance driver experience and productivity. While specific details are yet to be released, industry experts anticipate improvements in several key areas. Improved seating ergonomics. Expect seats designed for long-haul comfort with better support and adjustability. Advanced climate control systems. These will likely offer more precise temperature control and improved air quality. Enhanced sound insulation. Reducing road noise can significantly improve driver comfort and reduce fatigue on long hauls. Upgraded infotainment and connectivity options. Modern drivers expect to stay connected, even on the road. The new Cascadia is likely to offer improved entertainment options and seamless integration with personal devices. Increased storage solutions. Thoughtful storage design can make a big difference in the day-to-day life of a driver, especially on long hauls. These improvements aim to address the ongoing challenge of driver retention by creating a more comfortable work environment. The 5th-generation Freightliner Cascadia, set for production in mid-2025, is definitely a significant leap forward in truck design and technology. By focusing on efficiency, safety, connectivity, and driver comfort, DTNA has created a vehicle that addresses the most pressing concerns of fleet operators and drivers alike. While the true test of the 5th-generation Cascadia will come when it hits the roads in 2025, based on the information available and DTNA's track record of innovation, it seems likely that this new model will continue the Cascadia's legacy as a leader in the trucking industry.